Okay, we've got the mouth notched out there, and you'll see why we do that later. So that's going to fit where I want it to fit. We have the back of the head that we sanded this down, so the back of the head will fit on here now. So what we're going to do now is, I've got an 1.25 inch bit there, and we're going to take the stick and we'll drill a hole in here. We'll go up a little over 2 inches to mount the stick. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. And the reason why that's why we made this mark here, so we know where our center is. That way now we can put our stick in. That's so we know how far to push it. I'm going to have to sand this down a little bit so we get it to fit in there good. So thanks for watching.